And new details involving accusations of sexual abuse and a cover-up at the school run by one of San Diego's most popular churches. A lawsuit claims that administrators at the Rock Academy knew about the abuse long before they called police. Team 10 investigator Vanessa Van Hefty has the internal documents that parents say prove there was a cover-up.
Letitia and Mel Zamora are suing the Rock Academy, claiming their daughter was molested by a former teacher.
He did molest me, Mommy. And I tried to, keep it together. I wanted to run and scream and die.
They say the abuse happened when their daughter was 7 during movie time. 10 News is not revealing the identity of the teacher because he has not been charged. Attorney Steve Esty is representing 5 children in the suit. He says the academy knew about the abuse long before they fired the teacher.
It appears to be at this stage that there may have been an attempt to cover this up.
Esty says these internal emails show the principal was aware of the abuse. A fellow teacher walked in during movie time and blew the whistle to the principal. She wrote, "The door was locked and all the lights were off. When I unlocked the door, the student jumped off the teacher's lap. I'm sure this is nothing, but it just didn't look right." The principal responded to the teacher in question, saying, "I thought you told me you were no longer going to have all the lights out in the room or have the kids on your lap on video day. I would like you to just turn off one set of lights and just have the kids sit on the floor."
That's the unfortunate because it went on. The molest occurred for another year after that.
The Zamoras say the church didn't help. In this police report, it states the Rock Academy had asked her to wait and pray before filing a police report. Vanessa Van Hefty, 10 News.
Mark Stevens with the Rock Church responded with this statement: "We are deeply saddened by this situation and disappointed it has materialized in this action. At no time was the Rock Church aware of these activities prior to taking action and informing the authorities in accordance with state law. The Academy and the church are fully committed to protecting the children in our care." And the allegation surfaced almost 2 years ago, but the case will go before a judge in April.